In this video, I will share with you the top 5 contenders for 2024 based on extensive research, and let's be honest, a healthy dose of elbow grease. Number 1. Reliable Steamboy Pro 300 CU Steam Mop with Scrub Brush. This mighty machine boasts a powerful 1500W motor and a 300 ml water tank, tackling tough messes with ease. The built-in scrub brush tackles stubborn grime, while the adjustable steam settings offer versatility for different surfaces. However, its bulky design and lack of maneuverability might make it less ideal for tight spaces. Number 2. Shark S1000 Steam Mop. This lightweight option is a dream for quick cleanups and navigating around furniture. It heats up rapidly and delivers consistent steam, leaving floors spotless without leaving them soaking wet. While it lacks the bells and whistles of some competitors, its simplicity and affordability make it a great choice for everyday cleaning needs. Number 3. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. This multi-purpose marvel goes beyond just mopping floors. It transforms into a handheld steamer, perfect for tackling upholstery, grout, and even windows. The adjustable steam pressure allows for precise cleaning on various surfaces. However, its higher price tag and slightly complex operation might deter budget-conscious or simplicity-seeking users. Number 4. Bissell Symphony Pet All-in-One Vacuum and Sanitizing Steam Mop. Calling all pet parents, this innovative machine combines the power of a vacuum with the sanitizing properties of a steam mop, making it ideal for homes with furry friends. It effectively removes pet hair, dirt, and allergens, leaving your floors and lungs breathing easier. While its weight and bulk might require a bit more muscle, the convenience and versatility it offers are undeniable. Number 5. Black & Decker Steam Mop. This user-friendly option features a swivel head for effortless maneuvering and a triangular mop head that reaches into corners with ease. The adjustable steam settings cater to various cleaning needs, and the detachable microfiber mop pad is machine washable for added convenience. However, its smaller water tank might require more frequent refills for larger cleaning jobs.